existed before I took my first breath. Through the ever-changing scenes of life, you were the constant, always by my side. For the tears you cried on the day we met, all you've done for me, no, I won't forget. And you're the greatest lady in my life, and I thank you for the times you sacrificed, and for giving me the peace